There's a weird sense of comfort when you know that someone is constantly thinking about you. And this feeling is even more enhanced when that someone is a special person whom you love and crave as well. It feels so overwhelming when that special someone is thinking about you and he or she wants to know if you are fine or not. But is there any way by which you can get to know if someone out there in the world is thinking about you? Most of the people would tell you that there is no way except asking any friend of that person or something like that. After all, reading minds is the stuff of fantasy or superhero movies only, right? Well, what if I told you that there are psychic energies that reach you whenever someone has you in their thoughts? Yes, it's possible to tell if you are on someone's mind if you know how to look for these signs from the universe. There are a variety of reasons for people to think about other people. They may remember you when they are discussing any past events, or they may have a dangerous obsession with you, or they may even dislike you. Even if someone is thinking of you to cause any harm to you or to increase negative energies for you, it's still important for you to know how to look for these signs so you can defend yourself from them. Before I begin with the video, do you want to learn how you can awaken a man's most secret and powerful desire to earn your love and eventually make him obsessed with you? Well, I have personally written an ebook where I have disclosed some untold secrets of making your man feel an everlasting love for only you forever. Not everything can be shared on YouTube and other public platforms, and that's why you can download this ebook for free only for a limited time. The link to this free ebook is in the description box below. So let's begin with our video. Here are the 6 signs from the universe that someone is constantly thinking about you. Sign number 1. They enter your thoughts out of the blue. You are going on with your normal routine and doing your work, and a thought pops up on your mind which reminds you of him. It feels like this wasn't your thought and someone else planted that thought into your mind. If this happens to you on a regular basis, try becoming aware of the frequency and patterns that are at play. When you experience these thoughts, it could be a mental clue from the universe that maybe they are thinking about you, or maybe they are even missing you. In many instances, it is observed that whenever you think about a person, he or she may also think about you. Have you ever experienced that you thought of a friend and you wanted to text or call him but then forgot to do so, and then you receive a call or text from him after a while? This happens because you let that thought of missing him out in the universe, and that comes back to you in the physical form. This feeling enhances and maximizes as the bond between that person and you gets stronger. If you are dating that person or you have dated him in the past, the soul connection between the two is very strong, and that missing feeling is felt by both the partners. Sign number 2. You share the same dream space with that person. When you are sleeping, your conscious mind is at rest, and your higher consciousness can reach out and receive messages from the other souls who want to connect with you. This means that when someone is really missing you or thinking of you, you both can appear in each other's dreams. The person thinking of you will appear in your dreams and he won't even get to know that. If you are experiencing the same person entering your dreams frequently, try keeping a dream journal to log your encounters. It's not always possible or even appropriate to ask people if they have had the same one as you. It can come off as weird to some. If you maintain a dream diary for yourself, you will learn a lot about the signals that the universe wants to send you, and many times this information is accurate. Sign number 3. You experience sudden emotions out of the blue, but these aren't your feelings. Have you ever felt a sudden jolt of sadness or anxiety out of the blue, but you were not really feeling upset or sad on that day? This feeling lasts for a couple of minutes or even less and then fades away. If yes, this is a strong sign that you are intuiting their energies and emotions. This shows that you both are emphatically connected. If these experiences keep on repeating, it's a pretty strong signal that someone who is very emotionally connected to you is constantly thinking of you. Sign number 4. Eye twitches. If everything is fine with your eyes, sudden eye twitches can have multiple interpretations depending upon your gender and the eye in question. In countries like India, it is believed that when men experience twitches in their left eye, they may be a subject of someone's negative intentions or thoughts. This means that someone wants to put them down. And when the right eye of a man twitches, it means that someone is thinking of them in a positive way and have good intentions. This could be a lover or an old friend. The opposite holds true in case of women. When their right eye twitches, they are a subject of someone's negative thoughts, while left eye twitch means that they are a subject of someone's positive thoughts. But before you go jumping to conclusions, make sure that you are not experiencing any allergic reactions. Sign number 5. Sudden bouts of sneezing. In many cultures around the world, sneezing is considered as a prominent sign from the universe that someone special is missing or thinking of you. However, sneezing could also be due to the fact that you have mild cold or flu-like symptoms. If you are perfectly fine and you suddenly starts to sneeze, this could be a sign that you are in someone's thoughts. But how do you know if the person thinking about you have positive or negative thoughts of you? In some Asian countries, it's said that the number of times you sneeze indicates what type of thought someone is having about you. 2 sneezes in quick succession mean that someone is having negative thoughts about you, while 3 sneezes or more in a row indicate positive thoughts. Do you want to know who is that person who is having thoughts about you or maybe even missing you? It's said that when you sneeze, you should ask someone who is in your company to give you a 3-digit number. So let's say you receive the number 365. You would add these together. 3 plus 6 plus 5 is equals to 14. That number corresponds to a letter of the alphabet. So 14 would be N, meaning the name of the person who is thinking about you begins with the letter N. Sign number 6. Hiccups. Getting the hiccups is related to negative and toxic energy that's being directed towards you. When you experience hiccups that can't be explained physically, it's usually a sign someone has complained about you quite vocally. If you are experiencing hiccups around a certain person, it's likely that there's a source of enmity between you both that you are not aware of. You could try tactfully probing to see what's wrong, or even ask your friends if there's anything you should know. So, here are the 6 hidden signs from the universe that someone is constantly thinking about you. Did you ever experience any of these 6 signs in your day-to-day life? Feel free to share your experiences in the comment section below. Like and share the video with your friends if you feel these signs could help them as well. Please subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. Like and share it with your friends if this video helped you by any means. And yeah, if you want to learn how you could become a true high value woman and make the guy of your dreams fall madly in love with you, check out my free book which I personally wrote. I can promise you that you will learn some really shocking and surprising facts about love and obsession that you may not have heard anywhere before. The link to this free book is in the description box below. See you in the next video, girls.